Good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 26. A woman weighs 500 Newton and stands on a weighing balance in an elevator. If the elevator accelerates downwards at 1.2 meter per second squared, the reading of the balance is A. Now where G is 10 meter per second squared, G is the acceleration due to gravity. A 400 Newton, B 440 Newton, C 540 Newton, and D 600 Newton. It says a woman weighs 500 Newton. Now, the assumption in this particular question is that this woman is on Earth. Now, since the acceleration due to gravity G is equal to 10 meter per second, we have that what our weight is equal to mass times G, which is 10, and our weight is what 500 is equal to mass M multiplied by G, which is 10. So our weight becomes becomes 500 divided by 10, which is 50 kilogram. Now 50 kg is the mass. Now if the mass is 50 kilogram and the woman is actually in an elevator, now this is what happens. The acceleration normally acts upward. Now the acceleration of the elevator acts downwards. Now let me explain something. The acceleration of the earth acts downwards this way, and it is 10 meters per second squared. Now the acceleration of the elevator also acts downward like this for 1.2 meter 1.2 meter per second square. Now you notice that the net acceleration will be from this point to this point, now which is 10 minus 1.2, which is equal to 8.8. Now 8.8 is the net acceleration. Now we have that the mass of the woman is 50 kilogram, so her weight now will be equal to the mass times the acceleration, the net acceleration, which we just found. So the weight will be 50 kilogram multiplied by 8.8, and that will give you 440 Newton. 440 Newton, and that's the same as option B, 440 Newton. This is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.